I'm back from Memphis now. So you guys just saw me a couple weeks ago fly out to Memphis, but we have a show at the beginning of the month in October and at the end of the month in October. So flew back out to Memphis, had to actually stay this time rather than just fly up there for the day and fly back on a red eye home, which was awful the first time. But this time I had to fly up and stay for a couple days to work. So I worked the show, we had a good time. Kristen Exum, our trade show director, and the team did a fantastic job. Unfortunately, Hurricane Olga made it a miserable couple of days as far as the weather, but it was a good event and we really enjoyed it. So hopped back on a flight Sunday, got back home, and now I'm here.
Ready or not?
What time is it?
Well, it's not meeting Monday.
It's not meeting Monday!
It is 3:37
We have 2 hours
till the salon opens.
till the salon grand opening. Tick tock,
Excited?
tick tock, tick tock. Yes, we're very excited. We have these cute little cookies we're giving out at the grand opening, and so we're just putting them in bags.
Shout out to CB_cookies for giving us some really cute crown cookies with our logo on them. And we're giving it to all the guests that come see us.
Yep. We're counting down. We got a couple hours.
Hey everybody, we are here at the wonderful Event Rentals, which is in Spartanburg, South Carolina. This is my good friend Leah Parker. She got everything set up for the salon soft opening, so everything that's gonna be looking pretty comes from Leah at Event Rentals.
We're so excited for y'all to open tonight. We've got you set up with some nice tables and tablecloths, but pretty much we do everything here from parties to corporate events. You can do tents, tables, chairs, staging, and pretty much everything else you need. So yeah, we're excited to have y'all working with us. Yeah. Final pieces, guys.
Hey guys, here at Party City getting all the finishing touches for our salon soft opening, and of course our colors are going to be gold, white, and black. So let's get started. This is my fancy little list that we have. Isn't that nice? Isn't that nice? Okay, so Ashtyn's colors are gold, white, and black. Why couldn't I think of that? And Party City has confetti balloons, which is what we need to get, but they have silver in them. And silver in Ashtyn's world is bad, 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 bad. So now we are running to Hobby Lobby and or Michael's, whoever has them, to get specific type of confetti so that Party City can put that in there, because we gotta make the boss lady happy. So let's go. Dye a little on the inside, just so you know. 145. What else did I need to get from here that I was looking for? Gold ribbon. Let's go to this. Is this paper? I'm so nervous, but I'm gonna try this anyways. It's $5. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Okay, so like 3 years ago, I had to go to Hobby Lobby with Ashtyn, and she told me, which I'm sure some of y'all know this, that when you get to checkout, you pull up the coupon and they'll scan it on the phone, and then you get discount. So thank you, Lauren Ashtyn. Get in! Okay.
Yeah, I'll wait for you.
I I'm helping this wonderful man put this confetti in these balloons to make our boss happy. Isn't that great?
That's what it's all about, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Okay, so now we have a truck full of stuff and we still have to go to Walmart and get ice and water because some people might be preggers and can't drink the bubbly, or they just don't like champagne, which not anybody at the Lauren Ashtyn collection, but civilians, they feel that way. I sound like a military person. Civilians. Clients. Cameras. Okay. They're all gonna pop. I'm so scared. I am so scared. There's too much static in here.
So now we have
balloons on in the car. Corey, what if they pop in our faces?
with the high chances of it being able to pop.
You're not gonna talk about your fears, Corey?
Nah, just
He's definitely afraid these bad boys are gonna pop, and that's very likely. I have these stupid studs up here. We're gonna go because it's green. So we have about, let's see what time it is. It's 5:31, so we're just now about to start, but a lot of people probably won't get here until after work. So a lot of people are probably on their way back to the apartments because only the residents have been invited and just family. Then we have another giant event where you guys and everybody are invited on December 7th. So we're really excited about that. So make sure to go and RSVP on our Facebook page because we have an event posted on there where you can go RSVP.
Couldn't give Ashtyn any more encouragement. She's eat up with it. Everybody can tell that when they meet her. When she was 18 months old, she could sing and dance, even name all the presidents.
Wow, so that's special.
She's special. She really is.
Oh, let's get a picture.
yeah.
He's here.
Hold on, I gotta get my picture made.
Oh, are you?
No, you get on that side. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. No, we need a real one with you. That was priceless. It was priceless. We have to do this. We have to do the action. That's our signature pose. What's that? All right, Christopher, give us the toast.
Give us a toast. Thank you all for all your hard work. My team is amazing. Thank you, Drayden. Thank you, Spartanburg. Let's make this a success.
Cheers.
Yeah. So, I think the grand opening went pretty well.
Yeah.
Do you?
Went really well. We had a great large crowd there. We had a lot of family and friends there, a lot of Drayton residents. It was really, even though a lot of you are going to see this and you're going to be like, why didn't I get an invite? Because I got a ton of texts from all kinds of people.
Yeah, I wonder why they weren't invited.
I'm your best friend, bro. How am I not going to get invited to your opening, bro? I was like, it's
That was like it was a baby shower.
I know. I was like, it's a closed event.
Yeah, it was
So,
only
yeah.
for Drayton residents or people that work at Drayton.
Yeah.
So don't feel left out. We're having a huge event on December
Massive.
7th where you guys are invited, and we'll be posting it all over our social media. So no need to worry. You are invited and you have plenty of time to prepare to get here.
We're gonna have
Like I still don't know
wholesalers, partners from all over the country come out. We're gonna have some influencers come out, a lot of media, a lot of live music, pretty awesome live music scene. It's gonna be there, so it's gonna be amazing.
And it'll be a catered event.
Yeah,
So
so you guys come check it out. But our closed event was fantastic. We had a lot of fun. It was very intimate. So It was something that was special to us and special to the Drayton residents.
Yeah,
so
we
had
just,
a really good turnout.
it's a small space too, so we couldn't fit all of you guys and all of the residents. So next time it'll just be you guys and it'll work out better.
So no, it went fantastic. We're pumped to get it started and let it do its thing.
How excited are you?
Ooh, girl.
Oh Lord, honey.
I was about to not be very excited because I was about to have a lawsuit probably. Because last week I was going to do it and I didn't even think about the fact that we were going to have the opening at the salon, and I was like, oh Lord, that would have been. Oh, and my mom absolutely hates it when I get my lips done. Like, she always tells me that she can't stand it and she doesn't like the way it looks. So I've been joking with my aunt and Christopher that that I know the baby will come the day I get my lips done.
Yeah, it's probably gonna come tomorrow.
I have to go to the hospital like this, like with purple lips, and she'll be like, "Why did you do that? You ruined all the family photos." You're not really sore the day of, it's the next day because you're bruised and stuff, and sometimes you bruise and sometimes you don't, it just depends. But I've made sure not to drink any alcohol last night or anything because it's a blood thinner, and not to take any ibuprofen or aspirin or like anything like that. So you always want to make sure when you're having any procedure like this done or any injectables done that you don't take any type of blood thinner or drink alcohol. And I will continue to not do that for like the next probably 2 weeks, just to make sure that the swelling goes down, and then I'll put an ice pack on it. So tomorrow it'll feel kind of like a bruise on my mouth. And to me the weirdest part is, like, I do this all day with my chapstick, and after I get it done, it's like
they're bigger,
so big. I'm
like you have to make more of an effort to do that.
Yeah, like I have to open my mouth far to like be able to do it. You'll see what I'm talking about. Like when we're driving back, they'll look like they're like sticking out, like
swollen,
stupid swollen. Yeah, but they'll be way more swollen tomorrow than today.
Yeah.
And you also, like, it helps if you try to elevate your head while you're sleeping, so you're not laying flat.
So put a couple pillows.
Yeah, but that's really hard for me, and I usually never do that.
Yeah.
I already have trouble sleeping, so. I literally almost ran into that pool.
Yeah, you did.
I was looking at something else.
I meant delete it from my phone, so you don't snap Facebook.
Okay, so this was kind of what I was thinking.
Okay.
Now I have my lips overlined there,
Okay.
but that's similar to last time when I got done. Because last time I was at Tish's, you know, in Simpsonville.
Yeah.
So,
Okay. All right.
yep, just some fullness.
Okay. All right. Sounds good. Let's see here. And you need a tad more on the top left, and you need a tad more on the bottom right. Okay?
That sounds right.
Okay. All right. So what I like to do is I like to kind of equal it up first.
Yes.
And then,
go back and make it.
volumize.
Got it.
Okay, so I'll do this side first to make them equal, and then we'll do the whole top lip, and then I'll do this side first to make them equal, and then we'll do the bottom lip. You okay with that?
Yep.
Okay.
Whatever
All
you think is
All right.
best, I'm cool with it.
All right. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and we're going to clean. Yeah.
So that's the numbing cream.
Yes.
You feel it already? Or it's got to sit?
It's got to sit on there probably about 10-15 minutes.
Okay.
And then what it'll feel like is it'll feel like your lips are really huge. Of course they won't be, but
And you don't feel them because it's numb.
yeah.
Can you feel your lips? I think she said it's on her tongue too. So your tongue's gonna be numb. Are you gonna start drooling everywhere?
The first time that I'm not speaking in my whole life, basically.
All of that's going into your lips.
All of it's going into her lips.
Jeez.
It is, and that's just one syringe. That's all it is. It's just split up into a bunch of little syringes. They give you one big syringe, and I like to use the smaller syringes so you can sculpt it a little bit better. And not only that, the needles are smaller.
Smaller.
Yeah,
Smaller needles.
so it tends to do
Happier client.
less trauma,
Yeah.
less bruising. Okay.
Yes, we like that.
We like that, right?
Yes, we do.
Okay.
We do.
All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and lay back. We're gonna lay you back.
Yep.
And then we're gonna, like we said, we're gonna even up that one side, and then we're gonna volumize it, and we're gonna do the same thing on the bottom, okay?
I'm ready.
All right.
I'm all numbed up.
Yeah, you'll be good and numb now. And you know, the nice thing is that the filler also has number in it.
Yes.
So it will numb as it goes.
Yeah, it won't wear off till like tomorrow, right?
Let's
It usually does. I
Does it
usually
last
don't
that
feel
long
it
on
until
you?
like the next day.
see. Oh, wow.
I don't know why. Maybe it's in my head. I don't know. This goes away quick, but what's inside doesn't.
Yeah. And then she'll be good and numb.
I feel like you need to hold my hand. You probably can't feel anything.
That looks even.
Yeah.
I know it'll swell up in different areas like I did last time.
It always does. One side will always receive a little more trauma than the other side. And so one side will swell a little bit more than the other side.
How long do you usually say, just for people that are watching, that it takes for the swelling to go down?
Usually it takes about 2 to 3 days for all the swelling to go down. And then it takes about a week to get your final effect and get it to volumize up like you want it. Okay?
Super large.
Well, it's because I just did it today.
They're a little swollen. But
Yeah, so
they look good.
I legit just left and got my lips done, injected. They swell right when you do it, but not quite as much. But then like an hour later, they start to really swell, and sometimes they'll be a little bit uneven just from the swelling. You can see in earlier video that it was perfectly even before I left, but this happens to me every time. So if you can see that I have a little bruising on my lips, that is why. No haterade now going on in the comments below. I know you guys like to make
And don't
fun.
be hating on my shirt.
Yeah,
My
Fez has
shirt's
a cute
famous.
shirt.
My shirt is famous on TikTok, and my TikTok followers wanted to see me dance in it again, so I did it. So just because I've worn it twice on the vlog, don't start. Is this better? My gosh.
Alright guys, if you enjoy our videos, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and make sure to click the little notification bell so that you always know when we upload a new video. And until next week, bye guys!